Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm doing this video because there's been a little change, the first of quite a few, for this Ruger 2245 Lite. And I'm doing this video because of these new grips. I am going to bring them up closer so you can see. This is a maple scroll pattern for the 2245. Here's one side, here's the other side. I think they look absolutely beautiful. They function, there's not a problem with the functioning of the firearm. Here's the safety. This gun has been safety checked, by the way. Safety on the other side. Nothing rubs. Nothing is hindered. They are laser cut, laser engraved. They feel absolutely comfortable. They still have a grip pattern, so you have that grip. They look a whole lot better than just the black rubber grips that come with the gun. There it is. This is the gray. I think it really looks nice. And just to show you the other, we have an empty magazine. You put this in so we can lock the bolt back, and it is safe. You can see inside there, it is safe. I have to work this. I don't do it this way, but for anybody who does this, slide release or bolt release does not touch the grip. It is cut that well, and you can drop it. It's hard for me to see, and it drops, and it does not touch the grip. These fit absolutely perfect, just like the factory grips. They're $45 on the website. And for me, where I live, it was $5 shipping. You have to calculate shipping wherever it is that you live. I'm assuming. So for $50, I got these nice wood grips. They have been coated on the outside, a lacquer coating for protection. You can feel the grip pattern in your hand, so it won't slip out of your hand, and they just look beautiful. And this is just the maple. They have other stains and other different patterns, and if you want skulls, I'm not into having all that kind of stuff, but I just thought that I would show this, and I want to show you custom pistol grips. Here's the website, www.lsgrips.com. Lance Schofield, there's the phone number, Lance Schofield at yahoo.com, LS Grips. And I'll show you this so that it's a little bit better for you to see. And you can pause and you can look that up. There's the phone number. You can give them a call. And here's the website. And you can get on the website and you can take a look at all the different patterns that they have. And they fit absolutely perfect. They fit exactly like the factory grips. Excellent craftsmanship, excellent work. I have no complaints. There's a pattern that I would like, but it's a custom pattern. And when you start asking for custom things, you have longer wait times. You also have, prices start going up. But for $45, and then just shipping costs, this is a beautiful change to this firearm. Even my wife likes it. And you can pick your pattern, what you like, and different things. Go to the website, check out LS Grips. They fit absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. And it'll change your firearm, and they look great. And no, I am not endorsed, but I do like to give shout outs to when you're able to get something and it is what's promised and the craftsmanship is excellent and all that. I do like to let people know about that. When you find a good product and a good company, it's nice to share it. That's just the way that I feel. And this is an excellent company with an excellent product that is exactly what they say it is. And it fits perfect. You don't have to worry about any fit issues whatsoever. So, okay, thank you for watching, and we'll see you with the next video. Check them out, LS Grips, Lance Schofield. You won't be disappointed. I'm telling you right now. All right, bye-bye.